to episode 6 of the Thankful Box. Wow, we have so much to be thankful for. You know, I know we're having a pandemic right now called COVID-19, and a lot of things are different. Maybe you're not going to school because your school is closed and you have to do school at home. Or maybe your school is open, but things are different there. You have to wear a mask. Maybe you can't hold your friend's hand. And maybe you can't give your teacher a hug like you used to. But you know what? Even though these things may be, we still have so much to be thankful for. We've got food to eat, clothes to wear, a place to sleep at night, and a roof over our heads. And if you are watching this video right now, that means you have a phone. Or maybe you're watching it from a laptop or an iPad or on your TV. So that's a lot to be thankful for, everyone. So I really want to encourage you to always think about those things that you have to be thankful for. And right now, I am thankful for my very special guest. I'm so excited that today's guest is my friend, Kira Rappaport. Can we get a picture of Kira, please? There she is. Miss Kira is a singer, a musician, and a music teacher. She's so talented. And you know what else? Kira and I have done videos together. Maybe you saw one. We did a song called Apples, Apples Dipped in Honey. And if you didn't see it, don't worry about it, because we're going to run a clip of it right now. Okay, let's get that clip of Miss Kira and I singing Apples, Apples Dipped in Honey. Let's get a clip up here of Kira and I singing Apples, Apples Dipped in Honey, please. Miss Tangerine, can you please show the clip? Apples, apples dipped in honey, taste so yummy in my tummy. Apples, apples dipped in honey, hey, Rosh Hashanah. Thank you. Yes. That day was so much fun. I really liked making that video with Miss Kira, and I loved singing with her. Well, I'm not going to wait another second. I'm going to introduce Miss Kira, and she's going to share what she's thankful for. Hi, Miss Kira.
Hi, Miss Kim. I have my thankful box here, and I am going to open it up and show you what I am thankful for. I'm thankful for my flute, but my flute is in its case. So I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to open it up. It's like opening up more boxes. And here is my flute. Let me put it together so fast. Here's the head. Here's the body. And here's the foot. And this is my flute. And I'm so thankful for my flute. And I'm thankful for you, Miss Kim. Thank you for having me on your thankful box. Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh my. That was some of the best flute playing I've ever heard. And did you know what song she was playing? Did you say Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Well, if you did, you are right. Thank you, Miss Kira, for sharing your beautiful flute. If you want to know more about Miss Kira, you can watch her music classes on her YouTube channel, Music with Kira. She puts up new music classes every day. And if you want to know more about the other classes that she teaches for children, you can go on her website at www.musicwithkira.com. And you can also follow her on Instagram at Music with Kira. Well, everyone, that's all we have time for today. I would like to thank my friend Vivian for making a thankful box and for sending it to me and sharing with me. It was a very nice thankful box. So thank you, Vivian. Have you made a thankful box? Remember, it doesn't have to be anything super fancy, just a box, and you can decorate it however you want. And also, the real box right here, yes, that beating heart. Always remember that. Well, everyone, I will see you on the next episode. Have a wonderful day, and remember, let's be thankful. Bye.
I looked in